Yeah, you see how I rolled out of there? We don't want no stinking hot dogs now. I used to love myself a hot dog until today. I knew I should have stayed home today. This is some mess, I'll tell you. So some decent melting out there. Make sure you get that ice cream. It is going to be wonderful with that temperature today coming in right around 90 degrees. So it is going to be hot, but we're also going to be dealing with some muggy conditions once again. The case of the muggies is going to be upon us. Look at the temperatures right now. Numbers in the 70s, upper 70s at the Inner Harbor. We're seeing Rosedale coming in at 77 degrees. Ferndale, Severn, Pasadena. Good morning to all of you. Thanks for tuning in this morning. Look across the Eastern Shore. Everywhere we're looking at 75 degrees except for Goldsboro right now coming in right around 76 degrees. As we widen out the view, 64 in Deep Creek and then Ocean City coming in right around 74 degrees. I'm going to have your forecast in a matter of moments. A lot of you trying to get over there, or if you're watching, you're just waiting and maybe the traffic will be better for you a little later. I don't know. The muggy meter, I do know, is quite muggy this morning. Very sticky, very sultry, very soupy. You decide. Numbers in the 70s and upper 70s, mid 70s. So definitely that face with everybody for today. Not unless you're a fan of the humidity. And yes, there are some people that are a fan of the humidity. Satellite and radar not picking up on a whole lot right now, but with all that moisture out there for this morning, I'm not going to rule out the chance for an isolated shower to pop up in the forecast, but the bulk of the rain and thunderstorms will be this afternoon, and it will be likely that we will see those thunderstorms. I'm going to show you more of that in just a matter of moments. But the reason why we are so sticky outside is the area where this high pressure is. So where the location of it, I should say. So high pressure to the south and to the east, you get clockwise flow around it, and it continues to pull in that moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. And with that, we are going to be in the thick of things once again. Severe weather risk on tap for today on a scale of 1 to 5. We are in the lowest risk, but we still do have a risk out there. The biggest threat will be damaging gusty winds and also some heavy rain. Those thunderstorms are going to drop plenty of rain as they move through the area. The timing between 2 o'clock, 9 o'clock this evening, and then we'll do it all over again as we head towards tomorrow and then the day after that as well. So this is what we'll work with as we go through the rest of today. Ocean City, this is that forecast, that temperature right around 83 degrees. And today will be the best day for the most part. Isolated showers and thunderstorms as we head towards your Friday and also your Saturday. And then the fireworks forecast looks like this, Megan Knight. More thunderstorms in the forecast.